Hello everybody, welcome to veenakitchen.com. I am Veena and today I'll show you how to make a pakora using a microwave. In a mixing bowl, add about a half cup of besan or Bengal gram flour into it. Add about half onion chopped. Add about half potato finely chopped. I have cooked the potato a little. These are boiled potatoes. I've added little extra besan into it and mix it well. You do not have to add extra besan, that's absolutely fine. I just thought that the onion is a little too much than required, so I added a little besan into it, or the Bengal gram flour, a pinch of baking soda, pinch of baking powder. This is an absolute optional step. You can actually avoid this step if you don't want to. Just skip this step. Half teaspoon of ginger chopped, half teaspoon of garlic chopped, some coriander leaves chopped, half teaspoon salt or salt as per your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well. Add little by little water. To make it a soft batter of dropping consistency. You need to get a thick soft paste. If you feel the water is a little too much, what you can do is you can add little more. Bengal gram flour into it and make it a thick paste again. All done, let us go ahead and make some pakoras out of it. Now take a microwave safe dish. Mine is a non-stick, so I will not be greasing it. Otherwise you will need to grease it with butter or oil. Now into the dish add 1 teaspoon of the batter, the pakora batter. Give some space and add some more on the side. Keep adding the batter. Let us go ahead and microwave it on high power for 10 minutes. It's been now 6 minutes. I kept it for 6 minutes on high power. I get this delicious aroma of the spices. Let's see if it is ready. other side as well. I'll show you. Okay, so this is how it will look like. So I am going to turn the other side as well. Alright, I will go ahead and microwave it for another 5 minutes on high power. Alright, now I kept it for about 2.5 minutes on high power. So it has started to become nice golden brown in color. You can see. So there you have it. Our pakoras are now ready. These are microwave oil-free pakoras. We will go ahead and serve it in a serving dish. Into a serving dish, add the pakoras. There you have it. Delicious microwave pakora is now ready to be served. This is a wonderful recipe. It doesn't have any oil in it, and it is a very nice, tasty dish as well. You can enjoy the pakoras on a rainy day. Like today is a rainy day, so I'm going to try it out with a hot cup of tea. Wow, it's very crispy and very flavorful since we have added a lot of spice in it. It's very tasty. Please guys go ahead and try out this dish. Well, that was microwave pakoras for you. I hope you enjoyed it, and this is the oil-free recipe. You can try it out and enjoy it today or anytime you like. And please do comment